truck.
Thank you. That's my dad's last truck, so.
It's a good one.
I'm just making a video here to send it to my girlfriend. Hope she'll get a kick out of it. No, that's a good looking ride, man.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. Yeah, they're still heading back west.
Ryan Great Trucks, Fort Murfreesboro, taking a look at the F-150 Tonka edition done by Tuscany. We've been waiting for this truck to come out. Special paint done by Ford in the bright yellow. It's got the dual hood scoop that is functional added to it. Billet style grille added in with the yellow match in between. It's got the lower billet grille as well. The engraved Tonka insignia etched into the bumper with the big chrome tow hooks. It is a 502A chassis, so built on a lariat frame. HID headlights. Added the 20-inch chrome wheel with the BF Goodrich mud terrain tire. Tonka insignia throughout. It's got the heat extractors, the Tonka insignia down through the side. Since 1947, the big molding down the side with the chrome etched in. Chrome on the mirrors, chrome on the door handles. This truck comes equipped keyless entry, remote start. It's got the chrome Nerf bars with Tonka insignia front and back. Tinted glass throughout the whole truck. Take a look inside. Like I said, it is on a lariat chassis with a charcoal black interior. Power slide, rear window, rear air conditioner, 110 outlet. It's got a 12-volt outlet. Look at the floor mats done by Tonka. These things are awesome. Plush, bright yellow Tonka engraved in them. This truck comes with a 373 locking rear axle. Dual exhaust is added to the truck. It does come with a factory tow package. Your reverse sensing system is added in. Your backup camera from the factory. Chrome on the tailgate. Once again, you see that Tonka insignia embedded in there. It's got the matching tonneau cover. It is a ranch cover. It does have tailgate step, all from the factory. If you'd like to see pictures of this truck, copy of the window sticker, copy of the upfit done by Tuscany, you can give me a call. It's 888-439-1265, or you can find us on the web. It's FordofMurfreesboro.com. We're just outside Nashville, Tennessee. We do offer shipping. B&A Nashville Airport is the closest airport to us. We can pick you up at the airport as well. Come on inside. Let's take a look at the rest of the truck. This truck does have a 6-inch Pro Comp lift done on it. Dual power seats, memory seats, power fold mirrors, sync voice activated system. You got all your controls on the steering wheel to operate everything. It does have electronic 4-wheel drive. On the Lariat truck, you can get 2 high, 4 auto, 4 high, and 4 low. Locking rear axle we talked about, just pull out on it. It does engage that. Factory trailer brake, dual climate control. Currently in transport mode, but it does have heated seats, cooled seats, full touchscreen, voice activated navigation system. Truck currently has 67 miles on it. If you're looking for a limited edition, stamped by Tonka all over, just an awesome toy, you give us a call. It's 888-439-1265, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Find us on the web, FordofMurfreesboro.com. Thanks for viewing.